Hey Dad, it's me. As promised, I'm doing a video finally. I wanted to show you the golf cart and actually take you on a little ride. So I have to make a Amazon return. So I'm gonna take this up to UPS, drop that off, and then I'm gonna go over to the grocery store and pick up a couple things that Heather wanted. So and do a little bit of recycling as well. But let's show you the cart and then we'll go on a little trip. So here's the cart. It's a E-Z-GO RXV Elite. The Elite means it's got the lithium battery, which will go forever, which is kind of cool. So it's a 2021 that I bought used from a very nice person that kind of does this as a side hustle up in Lantana, which is just north of here. So, but it's a 4-seater with this little flatbed as well. So that'll go up there like that. It's got seat belts that I put on. So I installed seat belts. I installed the little I'm a slow vehicle thing, and a couple other things like this fun speaker that I was telling you about. So I installed all of this. I left these anyway. It's got, other fun stuff, but it gets us to and from the grocery store pretty well, and it's really fun to have and exciting in the sense that, again, you don't have to get in the car and do that sort of thing. So this is it's the holder for my cell phone so that I can connect to the speaker, but it's magnetic, so I'm going to use it to hold the phone, and I'm going to use it to record some video of a little trip out of here and over to UPS and back, to the grocery store and then back here. So this will be fun. Okay, yeah, that's not so bad. Let's try that. Of course, A1A at I guess it's like 4:30 in the afternoon, so on a Monday. right, well, that was fun. Got my Amazon receipt, and let's go to the grocery store. Okay, well, got my shopping done, got my recycling done, picked up lottery tickets, and so now we're gonna head back home. Well, I hope you enjoyed running errands with me. As much fun as I had running them. So we'll talk soon. Love you.